5 natural recipes for hair growth. Before we continue with the video, don't forget to kindly click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon below to be notified when we upload new material. So many people suffer from hair loss and slow hair growth for many reasons, and solving the problem may not be as difficult as one thinks. These simple recipes have been used for hundreds of years to aid in the health and growth of natural hair. Thankfully, you don't have to keep spending hundreds of dollars on products that do not work, because many of the hair growth products are already sitting in your kitchen. All you need is to know is how to combine the products to receive the miraculous results that can catapult your confidence. Mix 2 egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 3/4 to a cup of water to dilute the mixture. Massage this mixture throughout your scalp and thoroughly coat your hair. Allow to set in the hair for 20 minutes. This mixture is great for restoring sheen and essential vitamins in your hair and should be used once a month. Place 1 banana into the food processor for a smooth paste mixture. Cover all of your hair with the paste and place a plastic bag over your hair. Next, sit under the dryer for 30 minutes. Finally, rinse the paste out of your hair. This method could be used twice a month. Start by massaging warm coconut oil into your hair beginning at the roots and working your way to the tips. Do not use the microwave. Place an avocado into a bowl and make a paste. Cover just the tips of your hair with paste. Leave both products on for 30 minutes and rinse. This process can be used once a week. Dampen your hair thoroughly but don't soak it. Next, knot massage the mayo into your hair starting from the roots to the tips and allow to sit for about 30 minutes. Finally, rinse the mayo out with diluted shampoo. This process can be repeated weekly. Use 1 part lemon juice to 2 parts coconut oil. Gently warm the coconut oil first and avoid using a microwave. Massage the mixture into your scalp and cover your head with a plastic cap. Allow to sit overnight, then rinse with cool water. This process can be done monthly. Try these 5 natural home remedies for healthier and happier hair. Natural hair growth can also be boosted by a healthy diet. In fact, consuming a diet lacking the right nutrients can lead to hair loss.